Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Google Chrome web browser without removing passwords, histories, etc. So this will reset it back to default settings without removing some of your personal information on there. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to begin by opening up the Google Chrome web browser if you don't already have it open. And you want to navigate over to the top right corner of the browser window. Just left click on the menu icon and then go down and left click on settings near the bottom of the list. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down until you get to advanced and left click on that. Now scroll all the way down again until you get to underneath reset. Reset restores settings to their original defaults. Left click inside of here. You will get a little pop-up saying this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Left click on reset here to begin the process. This will take a couple moments to run, so please be patient. Once it's done running, I would suggest closing out of your web browser at this time, reopen it, and you guys should be on your way. So I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.